Here at Action Water Sports, we've been getting a lot of questions on how to make older boats surf. And for those that do have older surf systems, how do you make them surf better? We recently shot a video on how to make a direct drive surf, which you can find in the description below. But today we're going to show you how to make an older V-drive boat surf better. So let's check it out. For today's instruction, we have a 2012 Mastercraft X15. This is a great boat for all-around water sports in general. It's equipped with Mastercraft's Gen 1 surf system, which is good, and we're going to show you how to make it even better. All right, guys, we are on the water with the 2012 X15. We are joined today by Brad Knoth and his family. We're going to get this boat dialed in for you. First, we're going to show you the wake as is, without any modifications. Next, here's the wave with the stock hard tanks full. To make this better, we added a 500-pound ballast bag in the back and 200 pounds toward the center of the bow. Also, we attached a wake shaping device toward the side of the boat in order to clean up the curl towards the top of the wake. After a bit of tinkering, we dialed in the perfect spot for the wake shaper, and we think the results speak for themselves. As you can see, the wave is longer and a lot cleaner than before. We also recommend having passengers sit toward the back end of the boat to give a little extra weight to help with the height of the wave. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any questions on how to make your wave better, give us a call or stop by your local Action Water Sports. We are always here to help. If this content has helped you guys, make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the water.